Hey guys, it's Tracy from Tracy's Art and Craft here, and I'm about to select the number for the winner of the folio that I made for Happiness and Crafting. So good luck everybody, and here goes. So we've got number 14. I do believe that was Sarah. Let's just go and find out. For you, I do have the comments here. Yes, it is Sarah Jane. Sorry, I'm just having a little look through. Yeah, Sarah Jane. So Sarah Jane, if you could just email me your address, I will put that down in the description box. You are today's lucky winner. Thank you everyone for joining in. There will be another competition soon for some DigiKits for anyone that would like to enter that. So I'll do that very, very soon because I just feel bad that everybody didn't get to join in. It was only people from the UK. So yeah, sorry, that was just the top of the comments there. I was just here and I just brought it down so I could see the numbers. But yeah, well done, Sarah Jane. I will speak to you all soon. And oh, and I'll be posting it out on the 1st of March, okay, when I post all my happy mail out. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.